Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make a private playlist on Soundcloud. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step regarding this, and if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your SoundCloud or SoundCloud app. I mean, I'm right uh I'm right now in the SoundCloud website, so basically it's a PC version. Now what you need to do is just choose the song that you want to add to playlist to make a playlist. So let me just go with the random song. So let's go over here, and then let me just choose this song. So go with the three dot over here like this, and then you'll be having option that says add to playlist, and then over here just go with the create a playlist and just give a title saying oh. And then if you want to make it public, choose public. If you want to make it private, just choose private, and then just save it. And now let's just go to playlist, and this is your playlist, and this is how you make it. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.